Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to perform clearance and collision detection for vehicle animations in your road designs using Autopath. Clearance and collision detection are essential for ensuring smooth vehicle movement and preventing design conflicts in road planning. Let's start with clearance. Make sure you're in the Autopath tab, then click on the Clearance button. A settings window will pop up, allowing you to define the offset distance. In this video, we'll set it to 1 meter, then click OK. Now, simply select the swept path where you want to apply the clearance check. If you're unfamiliar with how to create a swept path, don't worry. We've covered it in a dedicated tutorial that you can check out. As you can see, Autopath instantly generates an offset path around the swept path, giving you a clear visual representation of the required clearance. Now, let's move on to collision detection, an essential tool for ensuring vehicles navigate safely through your design. Click on the collision detection button and you'll be prompted to select two elements. First, choose the objects you want to check for collisions with the vehicle, such as a curb return. Next, select the swept path that the vehicle follows. In an instant, Autopath highlights any collision areas, making it easy to identify and adjust problem zones. Whether you check collisions one by one or apply detection across multiple elements at once, Autopath streamlines the process, ensuring your design meets safety standards efficiently. And there you have it. A quick and powerful way to verify clearance and detect collisions with ease. Get in touch today to experience Autopath firsthand and take your road designs to the next level. Happy designing!